The Ajanta caves are situated at a distance of 107 km north of Aurangabad, the district headquarters. In the year 1819, Mr. John Smith, an officer of British Army, discovered the caves during one of his hunting expeditions. The caves were excavated in the different period between 2nd century BC and 6th century AD according to the necessity. Out of these 5 caves, that is 9, 10, 19, 26 and 29 are Chaityagrahas and the rest are Vihars. The object of worship is a stupa here, and these caves exhibit the imitation of wooden construction to the extent that rafter and beams are also sculpted even though they are non-functional. The world-famous painting at Ajanta also fall into 2 broad phases. The earliest is noticed in the form of fragmentary specimens in caves 9 and 10, which are dated to 2nd century BC. The headgear, ornament of these images in these paintings resemble of the bas-relief sculpture of Sanchi and Bharuch. The second phase of painting started around 5th century AD. The example of these exemplary paintings of Vakataka period could be noticed in caves 1, 2, 16 and 17. The main theme of these paintings is depiction of various Jatakas, that is, life of Buddha as Bodhisattva in his previous birth, contemporary events and social life also. The ceiling decoration invariably consists of decorative patterns, geometrical as well as floral. Photographic documentation by Prasad Pawar. True representation of colors in accurate perspective along with high-resolution 360-degree reconstruction is the aim of this photo documentation. Ultimately, this exercise will create a qualitative archival material to provide a sound base for further scholarly and conservation works. Photography of Ajanta Caves paintings is certainly a challenging job for any photographer, as it has to be done in extremely low light conditions. Proper light source remains an important factor while photographing the paintings at Ajanta. The available light is so low that at some places for focusing, rangefinder along with live view technology was used for focusing, where visibility with naked eyes is not possible. The photographs by Prasad Pawar elaborate the main theme of Jatak tales in these paintings, showing the life of Buddhas and parabolic stories preaching thoughts of Buddhism. It depicts various human figures of varied complexion, their costume, ornaments, weapons, musical instruments, household items, architecture, nature in the form of mountains, forests, birds and animals. Digital restoration by Prasad Pawar. From the current status of the Ajanta paintings, we observed that substantial part of these paintings is damaged beyond repairs, due to which we are not able to figure out the complete story of these paintings. This results into deprivation of joy of watching the complete painting. Moreover, this being a UNESCO World Heritage Site, ASI has decided not to permit repairs to original work. Hence, Prasad Pawar decided to digitally restore them. Initially, color correction of photographs is done by matching with original paintings. In the second stage, research is done by studying available material in Pali and other language reference books to understand the story of paintings. This helps in predicting the exact amount of damaged portion of the painting. In the third stage, painting from the same era are studied and then the damaged portion is completed in the same colors, forms, shapes, textures, sizes and style, etc. In the final stage, the digitally restored painting is authenticated. The process of digital restoration is time-consuming and tedious. Approximately 1 man day's time is required for digital restoration of 1 square inch of painting. This work shall require many decades of dedicated work and huge amount of money. Attadeepa Bhava, Swayam Prakashit Hua Abhiyan, International Exhibition. Ajanta painting style is mind-blowing but ignored due to darkness in the cave. visitors are not able to view and understand them due to following few reasons, that is, viewing distance of 12 feet and more due to barricading. Less than 10 minutes of time is allowed in per cave. No concentration due to large presence of visitors and presence of foul smell. Atta Deepa Bhava, Swayam Prakashitva Abhiyan, display of photographs by Prasad Pawar is not just any other exhibition, but is an interactive experience. It also features a miniature model of cave number 1, depicting the virtual details and paintings as available on site. Herein, art lovers as well as common man get opportunity to understand and learn Bhagwan Buddha's Jatak Kathas, Indian culture, rich visual art, etc. Visitors are always in disbelief after seeing world's largest photo prints in the display. It is a unique fusion of exhibition, workshop, interaction and lectures by eminent personalities. Practically, it is not possible for all of us to visit Ajanta. So, we at the Prasad Pawar Foundation have decided to take this international exhibition to 100 crore people in the world. Future historians and art students will be immensely benefited from this.